to the Skyline, which is a cable car across the Thames, with my friend Ben from Architecture, and then we're going climbing, so it should be good. It's not for 7 minutes. The airline was really good. Yeah, got really good views over the city and up north, and all over the place. Did you enjoy it, Ben?
As I've said before, it was very good.
So many people, but yeah, glad to be in the car now and looking forward to getting home. See you alright. I'm at home today in the beautiful hills of Yorkshire, and I'm going to be doing some university work. I'm basing my university work now sort of around a memory of being in the garden, so should be quite good. Get to spend time in the garden, do some drawing. Look at this view. The hills are alive with the sound of music. At the top now. I spent ages at the top of the hill and just kind of experiencing it and what it means to experience it. I think a lot of the time when you think back to a place, you often think in images and you don't really remember the sounds, you don't remember the smell, you don't remember the kind of temperature of the place, you don't remember how fresh the air was. And there's also trees that were very close to me where you could hear a single leaf drop through. I'm really interested in that sound of a single leaf dropping through and the possibilities of memory that that could trigger. We're helping setting up fireworks for this evening. I should start doing the thumbs up. Yeah, me and Dad came over to my grandparents' house. Help set up for the bonfire party this evening. Granny and Grandpa work on the bonfire.
Just thinking about
me and Dad are just setting up the fireworks now. Got a head torch. Me? Yeah.